Volkswagen has confirmed local pricing and availability of its limited edition Polo GTI Edition 25. The Edition 25 doesn't feature any powertrain changes, so features the same 204 bhp variant of Volkswagen's turbocharged EA888 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Inside, Volkswagen has fitted black leather sports seats with embroidered GTI logos, replacing the standard car's tartan cloth trim, matched to gloss black interior trim elements, and the usual red stitching found on the steering wheel, gear knob and center console. The key technical change is the standard fitment of Volkswagen's sports suspension option, lowering the Edition 25's ride height by a further 15 mm compared to the standard GTI, paired with unique spring and damper tuning. These come with standard fitment of the usually optional 18-inch Adelaide alloy wheels, here finished in a unique gloss black finish. The roof and exterior mirrors are also finished in gloss black with a bespoke 1 of 2500 diesel mounted to the side, confirming that 350 units will be available to order starting at £31,295, £2,390 more than the standard model. The new special edition includes a range of extra features including unique styling and extra equipment, building on the recently updated Polo GTI's standard equipment.